You gave the specific example of authentic listening.
My dad, he has his own business, and I just
Ah,
have so many ideas that I think I can help him do better. He's not listening to me. He's not listening. He's being stubborn. It's difficult to communicate. I found out it's myself. I
mhm.
really end up finding out it's myself. I don't understand his business. I don't understand. I did not understand fully his concerns. I needed to listen to him in order to help him better. Sometimes maybe just listening is really helping him without providing my series of suggestions that may not fit him. Sometimes it's not happening only with I think for people, not just with the parents, maybe with their partners, their their colleagues. This type of scenario can be applied to all kinds of situations. For me, I was lucky that I had it with my dad. Until today, the leadership foundation course has passed for about what 3 months now, right? So until today, I feel like I'm still benefiting from listening to him better. It's really listening to people, understand authentic listening. Actually, apply this to listening to my boss,
Mm.
listening to my colleagues whom I supervise. I hired a new person on my team,
Oh,
and
good.
for the first 1 to 2 months, I felt like it's not a good fit. The way I approach different projects, it's very different. But then I had patience. I listened to her, openly communicate. The more I listened to her authentically and being out here listening without any judgments, just be here and listen. I felt like I understand her better. And now that for me being able to listen to her, and she actually felt that I was listening, so she also listens to me better. The way I behaved influenced my counterpart, my colleagues. So I think this is very valuable.